FFP2 masks are now mandatory in public transport and in local shops in Bavaria. The Bavarian state government has decided on Tuesday that from next Monday, January 18, it is mandatory to wear FFP2 mask in local public transport and when shopping. And basically, children up to and including 14 years of age are exempted from this rule. And there are few more things that we should know when we are going to use this mask. So I am going to tell you today. I translated some guideline from the government, and I am going to tell you that what you should do and what you should not do. So basically, FFP2 masks are intended for single use, and they are very professional in comparison to the simple masks. If you are using this mask for personal use only, that means if it is used by the same person for the short amount of time, it can be used multiple times and it can be reused again. So when you are using FFP2 mask, you should consider these 8 points. First, each mask may only be used by the same person. Second, even in a family, the mask may not be used by more than one person. Third, an FFP2 mask should only be worn for one day and then dried either for 7 days in room air temperature and or in the oven at 80 degrees Celsius. Fourth, wash your hands thoroughly with soap before putting on the mask. 5. The smooth outer surface of the mask must not be touched. If possible, only hold the mask by the straps. 6th, the FFP2 mask must fit tightly. No air escaping from the cheeks or under the chin. Only then it can protect you. Then 7 point. So when you are outside, you should not put your mask in your trouser or in your jacket's pocket. What you should do is you should buy a freezer bag and you should put the mask in that. And when you reach your home, then you should dry it for 7 days from like 0.3, or you can dry it in oven at 80 degrees Celsius. And 8th and the last point is that you should not use the mask with exhalation valve, and because this could endanger other people. So now we are going to talk about what if you want to use your mask multiple times. So if you are using FFP2 mask and you come in contact with a coronavirus patient, then there is a possibility that this virus can get stuck in the mask filter, and even if it is there, it is going to be infectious for many days. So and that's why you should, when you are using it again, you should take care of this fact and you should dry it properly. You can only use FFP2 mask up to 5 times and then you have to throw it away. Mark the mask for individual family members, and you can do this by using ribbon or a pen, but you should mark it on the strips only, not on the mask. Dry the mask for 7 days at normal room temperature. After 7 days, the virus is hardly contagious. If you used a FFP2 mask on Monday, leave it to dry in room air until the next Monday. Then you can use them again. You therefore need a FFP2 mask for each family member every weekday. And if you are drying this mask in oven for 1 hour in 80 degrees Celsius, you should consider the following facts. First, you should not open the oven door in between this time when the mask is getting dried. Second, before even drying, you should check the temperature is not less than 80 degrees and not more than 100 degrees. The oven method must not be used with solid dimensionally stable FFP2 masks. How your mask should not be treated? It should not be washed in the washing machine. It should not be washed in the dishwasher. It should not be dried in microwave. It should not be under UV light, or not be dried in steam or by boiling water. So I use the website Myeonshin.de for the more details, and I translated all the information. And if you want to have more detail, then you can download the brochure Wieder Verwendung von FFP2-Masken für den Privatgebrauch. And this is a PDF which is created by Fachhochschule Münster, and also with Westfälischen Wilhelms Universität Münster. So you can check this out. I will put the link in the description, and please let me know what do you think about it, and how is the situation right now in your city or in your state. I will be very interested to know about all this, and just be courageous and stay there, and I hope we are going to get better soon, and this condition will be better soon. So we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, bye bye. Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment on my videos. We will meet again. Bye bye.